In the last video, I have explained about the difference between cash flow and fund flow statement. The next one is about fund flow statement. So first one is about the definition of fund flow statement. The first definition given is by the Robert N. Anthony. So the fund flow statement describes the sources from which additional funds were derived and the use to which these resources these sources were put to use. So here the fund flow statement means it describes the sources from where we are getting the funds, where the business is getting the funds, and the received funds, whatever funds the business is receiving, where it is using those funds. So in order to know this, so the sources and the application of fund, from where we are receiving the funds and where we are using those funds, in order to know that, the business prepares the fund flow statement. So the fund flow statement means it describes the sources and the application of funds. So that is the definition. The next definition is by the Yosten, Smith and Rowe. Here, a fund flow statement is prepared in summary form to indicate changes or trends are prepared regularly. So here the fund flow statement is prepared in a summary form. It gives the summary, and it indicates the changes in the working capital or the changes in the funds, how much sources of funds and how much is the application of funds. So these are the two definitions of the fund flow statement. Next is the meaning of fund flow statement. So here the term fund can be derived in three different ways. So the first one is in narrow sense, it means cash or money. The fund means it has different meanings. In a narrow sense, it means the cash or money fund means. In broad sense, it means all financial resources. Fund means all the financial resource. And in a popular sense, the fund in the context of fund flow statement, the term fund means working capital. It is the excess of current assets over current liabilities. So in the popular sense, the fund flow statement, fund means it is the working capital. So what is the meaning of working capital? Current assets over current liabilities. Current assets minus current liabilities, we will get the working capital. So the fund means it has different meaning. In the narrow sense, it is cash or money. In broad sense, it is all the financial resources. And in the popular sense, it is the working capital. So thus these there are three concepts of fund. They are cash, total resources and working capital. So that is the meaning of the cash, that is the meaning of fund. Next is the concept of fund flow. So what is the concept of fund flow? The term fund has different meanings. According to the International Accounting Standard 7, the term fund refers to cash or cash equivalent or working capital. So here the fund means it has a different meanings. According to the International Accounting Standard, that is 7, International Accounting Standard 7, the term fund means it is cash or cash equivalents, that is treasury bills, commercial papers or working capital. The term flow means changes. Cash means all this is the meaning, then the fund means, then flow means there is a changes. So thus the term fund flow means changes or flow of fund or changes in working capital. So it also refers to any increase or decrease in the working capital. So according to International Accounting Standard, the fund means it is either cash or cash equivalent or working capital, and the term flow means changes. So together the fund flow means changes in the fund or changes in the working capital, or it also refers to like increase or decrease in the working capital. Next, that is about the concept of fund flow. Next is the meaning of fund flow statement. The fund flow statement, it is a statement in a summary form depicting the changes in the items of financial position between two balance sheet dates and showing sources and application of funds. So here the fund flow statement means it is a statement in a summary form. It gives the summary. It is in a summary form, and it tells the changes, or it shows the changes in the items of the financial position between two balance sheet dates. Maybe last year balance sheet date, or this year, or last month, or this month, or after 6 months, like that. So maybe quarter wise changes in the balance sheet. So here it that is 2 dates balance sheet. What is the changes in the financial position between the two balance sheet dates, and it shows the sources and application of funds. So that is the meaning of fund flow statement. Next is the objectives or the purpose of fund flow statement. The main objectives of preparing the fund flow statement is to know the sources from which they have come and the purpose for which they are used. So here the main objective of the fund flow statement is to know the sources from where the business is getting these funds, that is the sources from where it is getting the funds, and also to know where these funds are used, by the business. That is the in order to know the sources and application of fund flow statement is used or prepared. This is the main objectives. There are some other objectives as well. We'll see that. So other objectives, the first one is to know the changes in the working capital during a period. The first one is fund flow statement is the objective of preparing the fund flow statement is to know the changes in the working capital during the period. What is the changes in the working capital for a particular period? In order to know that, the fund flow statement is prepared. Next objective is to understand the working capital position of a firm. In order to know the working capital position of the firm, fund flow statement is prepared. Next objective is to assess the financial condition of the firm. In order to find out the financial position of the firm, this fund flow statement is prepared. Next is to anticipate the working capital position. In order to estimate the future working capital position, the fund flow statement is prepared. Next is to reveal the most important changes those have taken place during a particular period. In order to find out the most important changes that have happened taken place during the particular period, the fund flow statements are prepared. Next is to provide a basis for budgeting. In order to help the fund flow statement helps the company for the preparing the budget. So it helps for the budgeting, or it provides information for the budgeting. So all these are the objectives of the budgeting.